Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Verizon 5G home Wi-Fi router admin access, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Verizon 5G home Wi-Fi router admin access, start by ensuring your router is powered on and connected to your computer or mobile device. Open a web browser of your choice. In the address bar, type in the router's IP address, which is typically 192.168.1.1. Press the Enter key to navigate to the router's login page. You will be prompted to enter your username and password. The default username is usually admin. For the password, check the label on the back or bottom of your router for the default credentials. Enter the username and password in the appropriate fields. Click on the Login button to access the router's admin interface. Once logged in, you will see the main dashboard of the router settings. Navigate to the Settings menu, often found in the sidebar. Look for the section labeled Wireless or Wi-Fi Settings. Here, you can manage your network name and password. If you wish to customize your settings, remember to save any changes you make. For security, consider changing the default admin password. This can usually be found in the System or Administration section. After making changes, look for a Save button to apply your settings. Wait for the router to reboot if prompted. Make sure to log back in using your new credentials if you changed your password. Now, you have admin access to your Verizon 5G home Wi-Fi router. You can manage your network more effectively and customize your settings as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.